Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Brandi Rose. Today we are going to be getting into this twist out style that I'm loving, along with trying the new, well, these aren't new, but I'm trying the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream along with the Melanin Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. So yeah, if you like to see how I got this style that I cannot keep my hands out of, then keep on watching. So my hair is freshly washed. There's no product in my hair whatsoever. I did use the Sacred, both shampoos and the deep conditioner today. But let's get into styling. First things first, we're gonna part this hair. So I'm gonna at least first go in with the Melanin Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. I'm gonna put that all throughout my hair. It has like a lemon minty smell. That's interesting. As long as it smells good, I'm happy. So I'm using 3 pumps on each section. I'm not sure if that's going to be too much or not, but it does say use as you would like. Use as much or little as you like. So we'll figure it out as we go. I know my hair is wet right now, so I want to at least get some type of moisture on it before I just go by section without putting anything in my hair. And then it starts drying during the process of styling it. Okay, so I'm just, ooh, my hair feels so soft. I'm gonna go ahead and do a bunch of twists in the back, and then we're gonna add like some creative style in the front. It may not be that creative, but don't talk about me too bad. It is easy to detangle with this leave-in conditioner. It wasn't any pullback from putting this comb in my hair. Everything just went through all smoothly. And now I'm gonna go in and try the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. I really don't feel like I need a lot. It feels like a little goes a long way with this product because I can feel it coating my hair already. Now I'm just trying to really figure out how I want to style my hair, because I got the back is done, as you can see, but here's the front. I want to do it curved like that. I'm actually going to add a little bit of edge control because I want this to be really slick on my edges. I want it to look more neat. So I'm just going to add a little bit right here and right here and shape the hair and then go back and twist it. Yeah, that looks a bit better. More of like what I was going for. Obviously, I haven't let my hair dry to see what the curls look like yet, but I do notice when my hair was dry right in here, so I did just go and wet my hair a little bit so I can finish this twist out. And it feels like it curls a lot better when it is wet versus when it's dry, because I feel like it weighs it down more and it's easy to put too much product when it's dry, or that may just be my hair. I don't know, but this part was dry when I put it in and it's just like weighed down a lot. But we'll see tomorrow what it do. So all of my hair is twisted. I'm gonna just go with a simple twist out style. So I'm gonna just take all the little mini twists out tomorrow when they are dry. I'm gonna sleep in my hair like this, wrap it up, try to lay down these edges, and we're gonna see how this looks tomorrow. But like I said earlier, I do feel like having your hair wet and then applying the style cream might be better, because I can see a difference in my curls from where my hair was wet versus like this when my hair was dry when I applied this part versus the back. So I may touch this up a little bit with some water and retwist it. Alright, so it is the next day and this is how my hair is looking. Some of it has shrunk up, so I did put some ponytails in it. I'm trying to stretch it out, but I realized I should have just did that last night. So what I'm going to do is take me a dryer and try to stretch it out the way that I want it to be stretched. Do section at a time. A lot better. Much better. I really don't need it in the back as much, but I'm gonna still try it anyway. Much better. We'll figure out this braid situation or twist situation soon. But for right now, I'm gonna go in with the Sacred Nourishing Hair Oil. Just put some of that in my hands. Put my hands together. Not that it really even needs any of this, but here we go. My hair feels amazing. Okay. Wow. Okay. Then I am gonna put my hair in a ponytail right here. So kind of like tight. So this is how my hair is looking, freshly out of twist, not even manipulated yet. I must say they are very defined. So me, I can't stand my hair looking flat or small, so I am gonna go in with a pick and try to build it a little bit. Also, I did notice this part yesterday looked like it was not curling, or like it was really just weighed down, or, you know, like I had heat damage or something. And it curled up beautifully. Like, look at that. I knew I missed at least one twist. That's the thing about doing twists. You always gonna end up missing one and finding that you didn't take it loose later on. Oh, there's another one. My hair feels good though. Just separating some of these curls. I do like this. It is like a film on my hair, but it's not like a heavy film like a gel would leave on your hair. I'd rather have a light film on my hair than a heavy one like a gel, just depending on the look that I'm going for. And one of my biggest concerns with this was it gonna flake, because I don't know. I'm always scared something's gonna flake in my hair because I have to use a lot of things very sparingly. I don't feel like I had to do this very sparingly. Not at all. Look at those curls. Like frizz where? Even with pulling this apart, there's no frizz. But me personally, I don't mind frizz, as long as it's not excessive. Okay. Play with it a little bit more. Let's get to the front. I want to separate some of these. Get a little more body over here. My hair is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I probably did a little too much on that one. Let me go back in because I messed up this one piece. That's my fault. See if this can work as a... There we go. I just like big hair, so that's my problem. But I like this. I think this is a nice... See, I can't stop. This last one, I'm gonna leave my hair alone because now I'm messing it up. There. I like this product. I just put more product, so where it's white is where I put more product. I will say this, my hair is extremely defined. Okay, last one. I'm not separating any more curls, even though I want to really bad, but I love it. My hair has some movement. It's shiny. It's very defined. It has a film on the hair, but it's not like too much. It's not a heavy film like gel or something would have. And it still gives movement. So that was my issue with a lot of other brands. Once I put a leave-in and go to style my hair, it's like my hair doesn't have the movement. It has a cast. It flakes or something like that, but this does not. It does not flake. It defines my curls very well, very beautifully, and it's light. My hair doesn't feel heavy or anything like that, so we are winning. I'm definitely adding this to my collection. I also saw somebody do like a braid out. You know when you take a braid out and your hair just looks dry? I saw them use this and it was still moisturized and bouncy like my hair is today. So I will eventually be trying that, but this is the style. I do like how this makes my hair feel and look. And it also smells really good. It has like this lemon smell, but there's something else that I can't put my finger on, but it's not heavy or like overpowering to the point where you can't stand it. That's another thing. I can't stand where hair products have like an overwhelming smell, like a sweet smell or something like that. I just want it to be light. So this is great. Perfect. Beautiful. Also, this is my series where I'm going to be trying different hair care products to see what works for my hair and to help you figure out what works for yours too, because that's a constant issue. Comment below what product you want me to try next along with a hairstyle, and then I can't wait to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.